Welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show you how to get Sora to invite code in just 1 minute, but you must promise to subscribe to my channel once it works for you. So let's see the magic.
Okay, guys, this is the site. Okay, this is the website. But before this site gets to work for you, you make sure you are in the USA or wherever you are. You should be in USA. So me right now, I'm using a VPN, which is a Windscribe VPN. So click on take the VPN all down to USA. So once you get to USA, then the site will open for you just like this. Okay, the site is escaping.work Sora invites. All right, so I have already placed the site in the description. So click on get invite code. All right, so now watch here right now. It says the only rule is that once you sign in, you give back your code. So click on this, go to this. I promise to give back my code. Copy it and paste it. Copy it and paste it into this place. All right. So once you send it right here, now also type 4 again and send it. All right. Now here as well to you need to copy this. I will replay with a code. So copy it right here again and paste it. So once you paste it again, you send it. Guys, this is the magic. This is your invite code. This works like magic. This is less than a minute. You've gotten your invite code. So just copy this invite code and go to Sora. Where Sora request for invite and paste it right now, guys. This is how I got this my channel. This is exactly how I got this my profile on Sora. So, make sure you do these steps that I've said, and it will work for you perfectly well. Okay, so guys, subscribe to my channel just like you promised to subscribe to my channel so that you get seen this kinds of video again coming your way. Thank you very much.